Okay, dear, today we'll talk about how to take stock inventory, and I will present a little bit the steps. I'll try to do example to do clips video for almost each steps. The first, how to presentation before. Before to have that Excel file and to take physical stock, you have some steps for preparation. One, I need to establish together which type, which shelf, which storage location, which box or bins need to take inventory, or that need to check before. Because in my opinion, when it's a huge item, a lot of item, is not be able to do for 1 day or 2 days. You need to do more faster and to have this information more quickly. Because if I block entire one storage location, this will affect us to prepare ticket consumption, will affect us to do reception and to put on the location or to remove from the location, and different type of operation which involve warehouse management. Okay, for start, the first time you prepare the first one is to establish the storage location, the box and the bins. The second one, need to ask, because this is our system, but even me I can do this, but I will respect the rules. Need to ask to ERP system guys which work there to block and to create automatically some documents for inventory. And in these times we'll block that boxes and we'll put directly almost all of them. It's like a 999 inventory. Next step we'll create now a video how to use transaction LX02 to prepare the Excel file to take inventory. Normally, I told you one more times, it's no need to prepare this Excel file in like a supermarket, in another type of the company which you don't have problem with the network, need to use directly terminal after the first steps. But in our case, need to prepare this Excel file to take physical inventory physical and to complete in that Excel our information. After this all of information was collected, you put in the terminal to do the final steps and to agree exactly which is, if you have difference or not, our stock. Okay, you'll go in SAP, you do LX02, you put here semi hash, you put here start, will execute. Here, you just click here, you go to the filter and type here 5009. I chose 5009 because we have little bit difference there. Enter. Okay, you go here to list, export, spreadsheets, and we'll choose some place. I will put here in our training store. I will say like this, inventory 5009 other. I put even a date because you can do this inventory few times per year or 1 time or 2 times per month. Establish 1/10/2021. Save. Allow. We generate now the Excel. For me, I say I do like this. I'll just move the material to close here. I'll bring even the batch. I delete this because I don't need. Here at the end I delete even this one. And now this I put I say SAP location. I put maybe location. Okay. Next, SAP stock. Insert. Stop. I make here insert difference. I put here formula is this minus this. Enter. I click inside. I just copy. I go down, and because I have too many after comma, we'll do this choice here. I do only 2 after the comma, and I can do here to mark with yellow to be much easy exactly which is make like this storage location to abbreviation. Let's select all of them to put filter. I can put here abbreviation unit measure, and I want to do freeze pane. VO freeze pane. In this case, after I will save. This is almost done. I can do here even to be bold. And when you start to take physical inventory, I'll go here. I will type here the material example like this, and we'll see if in this location or in this location you have this quantity or this quantity. If you put here the actual location, maybe it's different this one, or maybe it's different this one. We'll come here, we put here the actual quantity, here the actual quantity. Here example, if you have less 10 we put 8, and here you have less 2 you put 1, and automatically calculate me the difference. I hope it was useful, and I would say